This is a lurker. It is a creature from my light novel, Knights of Auran. I don't want to give too much away, but know that it's considered a threat to the world of Zonia. How I came across designing this character, that was a whole other journey. During my college years, I got inspired to create my own story, inspired from shows and books of my childhood. One day, I was in digital painting class and they wanted us to create a character. At that time, shows like Adult Swim was my go-to, along with Disney's Jetix. One show in particular, Oban Star Racers. Not only did I like the premise, but it was when I saw the racer spirit. Then, one night, I was watching Outlaw Star on Adult Swim, and I saw a character similar on that show. And when my mind combined those two together, you get a lurker. When I wanted to flesh out my character, I was in luck when I found an artist named Brolo on DeviantArt who redesigned my character based on my vision. Fast forward to the rise of 3D printing, I wanted to bring my character to life. So, I came across a modeler named Duran Q, who I've printed a couple of his designs for my collection in the past. I actually tried to get this printed twice. The first time, I hired someone to do it in resin, and it was fantastic. Until it literally fell apart because it wasn't cured properly. The second time, I printed it myself, but the seams. I'm going to print it out using FlashForge's AD5X. Originally, the model has been separated in parts, but thanks to OrcaSlicer, I can actually combine them all, and all I have to do is just color it. And now it's ready to print. All right, so taking a closer look, you know, this is pretty much where the seams, where the parts, this is pretty much where the parts are divided. If you were to, have them done individually, but still, it's not too bad. It's not, I mean, you can tell, but it's still not bad that, OrcaSlicer was able to fuse the parts together. So again, I don't mind. Yes, you could still see the lines. Again, this is still a prototype. And the reason why I say that is because during my little clippings, I happened to clip one of his tentacles of his tentacle hair, as you could see. But for the most part, it still came out nice. And, far away, you wouldn't be able to tell the lines so much. But, of course, I am not a pro. I'm still, beginner to mid-level when it comes to 3D printing. But as soon as, because I was messing around with some of the lines, and I probably need to smooth it out just a little more, especially around his back. But for the most part, like I said, the possibilities of being able to create, my characters out of 3D printing is a possibility, and it's amazing. Now, of course, if I want to, I can probably send my files over to somebody who could do resin again and create that smooth texture like before. But, for the most part, I'm going to see what I can keep doing with the FlashForge in fixing the lines. But I love it. I really do. Guys, tomorrow is it. Knights of Auran Awakening launches tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard. So if you want to find out what this thing actually does in the story, check it out. It's available for free on Royal Road. And again, a huge shout out to all those amazing artists and 3D modelers who helped put this together. You can check out their links below if you are interested. If you guys want to see me print out more of my characters from my light novel, let me know. Until next time, this is Naisha, and I'm that Blerd girl. Stay tuned.